Okay, lab number 74, measuring speed. Okay, speed is a distance an object travels in a certain amount of time. The formula for speed is speed equals distance divided by the time. The three common units that we use to measure speed are miles per hour, kilometers per hour, and meters per second. Today's lab challenge question is, how can we measure the speed of a moving cart? Okay, so in your lab notebook, you need to set up a 3 different charts that look like I have here on this paper, where you're going to have notch A, 3 trials. The first distance is going to be from 100 centimeters. We're going to record the time, and then you are going to calculate the speed. They begin by taking the distance divided by the time, and then you're going to find the average of those 3 speeds. Notch B, okay, so then after we do that, we're going to do part B, which we are going to compare the speed from 2 different notches B and C. Okay, we're going to do 3 trials for each. We're going to record them both going 40 centimeters, and from different notches, we're going to record the times, calculate the speed, and then find the average of the speed for notch B and also notch C. Okay, so what we have here is we have our cart, or we have our ramp set up. As you can see here on our ramp, we have notch A, B, and C. We have our ruler set up so that the 0 is set up as where the white, where the straight track meets there, and it's going to travel down the track. And then we are going to record the speed here on our stopwatch. Okay, this is 100 centimeters. Okay, so once the cart hits the front here, okay, we are going to stop the stopwatch. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our cart, we're going to line the back wheels up with the notch A. Okay, and I'm just going to kind of show you this as just one time here. When we're going to release this, we're going to release it. We're not going to push it because we don't want to add new force to it. So when the back wheels hit the straight track, I'm going to start the stopwatch. And when the front of the cart hits the 100 centimeter mark, I will stop the stopwatch and we'll record the times. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and begin with trial number 1 from notch A. It's going to go 100 centimeters. Okay, and the time that I have here is 1.31 seconds. Okay, so you're going to record that time into that first box there. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do it again. 3 trials. Okay, must have been a little fast on this one, but I got 1.11 seconds. Okay. All right, next one here. This will be the last trial. Okay, and I was pretty close to my first one of 1.33. Okay, so not too bad overall. My second one may have been a little quick. So now we're going to calculate the speed. Distance divided by time will give us the speed. Once you have those up, please find the average. Okay. All right, now we're going to do notch B, but this time we're just going to go here to 40 centimeters on our ruler. Okay, again, rear wheels lined up there with the notch. Okay, again, I'm going to release it, do not push it. Okay, we got about 0.51 seconds, so please record that into your first table right here. Okay, do it again. Okay, pretty close again, 0.58. Record that into your second box right here. Okay, last trial. And pretty close, right on, 0.62. So was it pretty good there? So 0.62, calculate the speed by taking the distance divided by the time. And then make sure you find out the average. Okay, next one. We're gonna go from notch C. Again, we're gonna stop it at the 40-second, or the 40 centimeter mark on the ruler. Okay, here we go. Okay, got 0.77 seconds. So that's gonna be your first trial for this notch right here. Okay, second trial. 0.96. So we're gonna put 0.96 there. Okay, here we go, last trial. Ooh, I don't know, we might want to try to redo that one there, 1.28. We'll retry that one, so we're gonna scratch that one. We're gonna try something else there. We had a little bump on the track when it came down. So we're gonna retry that one. Well, not much better there, but a little bit better, 104. Okay, so it's 104 right here. Again, calculate the speed, distance divided by time, gives you the speed in centimeters per second, and then please find the average speed. Okay, once you're done with that, you need to do the analysis questions.